Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I will be showing you how to install Bae Locs. Make sure to like, subscribe and share this video. So today I will be using Bae Locs by Bobby Boss. Each pack has like 2 accent threaded locks, and for my head I bought like 6 packs, so I should be fine. It should cover all of my head, and let's get into it. As you can see, I divided my head. The back will be cornrows and the front will be individual braids, because for the back I will crochet regularly, and for the front I will do individual locks, as you will be seeing next.
Perfect, 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 perfect.
And that's how I install my Bae Locs. So make sure to like, share and subscribe this video guys. See you next time. Bye.